Hi, I'm Erin Duffy, and today this presentation is going to talk about differentiated instruction and educational technology. We are going to figure out what is universal design, and I'm also going to show you an example of a guideline that you can use for an online educational technology program. So first up, what is differentiation? It's a teacher's proactive response to learner needs, shaped by mindset and guided by general principles of differentiation. Teachers can differentiate through content, which is ideas and information that students use to reach learning goals, process, how students make sense of info, product, how students show they understand, as well as environment, which is the climate of the classroom. Some examples of instructional strategies are independent projects, graphic organizers, small group instruction, menus, tic-tac boards, tiered assignments, expression options, and scaffolded reading and writing. UDL believes that educators can utilize three types of strategies: to represent information in multiple formats and media, to provide multiple pathways for students' action and expression, and to provide multiple ways to engage students' interest and motivation. There are guidelines set up for UDL. And the UDL guidelines are a tool that educators can use when trying to reach all learners, learning styles, and individuals. It is used to improve teaching based on how humans learn. It provides multiple meanings for engagement, which is the why, representation, which is the what, and action and expression, which is the how. UDL Checkpoint 8.2 goes into varied demands and resources to optimize challenge. Differentiate the degree of difficulty or complexity within the core activities can be completed. Emphasize process, effort, improvement in meeting standards as alternatives to external evaluation and competition. I'm going to show you an example of this UDL checkpoint. iExcel is an online program that targets specific skills in language arts, math, writing, social studies, and science. Students can take a diagnostic test to figure out where their problem areas are. You can also differentiate student levels by assigning specific grade level skills to each individual student. So for example, I have in my learning support classroom two different levels. I have students that are still learning how to read with their letter sounds in second grade, as well as students who can read, but they're working on their comprehension. So I can assign specific skills for those individual students. For example, I could put one on a kindergarten level and assign which letter does the word start with. Then on the second grade level, I could give them a comprehension skill. The one tool that I really love gives students the ability to have their questions read out loud. So they click here and then it can be read out loud to them. So my final thoughts. It is so important to meet the needs of all learners through differentiated instruction, as well as the universal design for learners. Making education available and accessible to all, as well as being flexible to support students where they are at, is our #1 goal as educators.